Hey guys, welcome to Excel tutorial channel again, and from this video we are going to open a new playlist called round function and formulas in Excel. It's gonna be a short and sweet because it doesn't have much scenarios to add into it, but we will try to cover as much as possible. So we will know how to round our values in Excel using different formulas or different scenarios in this playlist. From this video we are going to learn how to round number using round functions in Excel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it, because we have covered so much about Excel formulas in the past, and we are going to cover each and every functionality of Excel in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we have a very demo sheet. We have a numbers here, we have a scenarios which we are going to cover in this video. So here we have a numbers in the decimal places, of course, because to round a number we need a values in a decimal format. But one question may be coming in your mind: is there a way to round a number or a values in your worksheet without using round functions? Yes, there is. You can use format cell in Excel functionality to round your values. If you have numbers in these format, if you want to just round that up into 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, you can easily do that with the help of format cells. Just click your values here, right click on it, go to the format cells, there you go. So just select the number here. There you have a decimal places. If you want to round your number to a decimal place like 4601 or 4603 or something like that, you can easily do that. If you want to add much more decimal places to it, you can also do the same. So hope you understand how you can do it without typing or entering your round functions in another cell. So it will be tedious for you, but you want something complex, like if you want to convert that to a nearest integer or something, then please follow the video. You're gonna learn that in coming minutes. So let me just close it down. So here we have a different scenarios to cover. The first will be the decimal places. Okay, so for the decimal places, without wasting a single minute, let's just type our function here. So we have a function round, and first argument will be the number. So number will be the values you want to convert to our nearest values or nearest round, or you want to round it however you want to say. So next argument is number of digits. So here, how many decimal places you want. Okay, if you want 2, 3 or 4, you can just easily type that number and close it down and close the parentheses, and there you get your answer for the 6.04. Similarly, hope you get by this now, because it's very straightforward function. So if you want to just get the 4 decimal places, you can easily get that. Just apply to all, because it's a function. So there you go, you will get all your answers just like that. Hope you understand how you can use round functions to round your set of numbers. So there you go. Let me just mark it as done. Okay, so next will be the nearest integer. What does that mean? That means if you have a number like 7.93 and you want to convert it into nearest integer, you can also do that. How? Just type the round function just like that, choose your value, and in the number of digits you to convert, or you can say round a number to a nearest integer, you just use the 0 value here and close the parentheses. There you get your answer. And if you apply it to all, why is 46? Because the decimal is in 46.03, so nearest integer will be 46 obviously. And if it is close to or greater than or equal to 0.5, like here we have a 95.93, so it converted to a nearest integer, which is 76, also 2615. So that's how you can round a number to a nearest integer using this particular formula. Let me just close it down. Let me just mark it as learnt. So if you want to learn it with me, you can follow a link in the description box, which will be redirect to our website. There you can find a link to download Excel file, so you can download the file from there. So next will be the nearest 10. So if you want to round a number to a nearest 10, you can use a value of -1. There you go. So number will be this. So nearest 10 will be -1. Close it down. There you go. So nearest 10 for 46 will be the 50, of course, because 45, if it's less than 45, then it will be a 40, but it's a 46 number, so nearest 10 will be 50. And if we apply to all here, so you can see there's a 25.72 is 30, and 75.93 is also 80. And if we have a 14.67, it will be converted to 10 because it's less than 15. so it just round that number to the nearest 10, which will be 10, of course. So that's how you can do it. So if we see a formula here, it says -1. So what if we apply -2? So it will revert back an answer to round the number to nearest 100. Okay, and if we still add on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it will just add a 0, 0, 0 to 10 to 200 to 1000 and something like that. So here we have a nearest value is, if you want to find the nearest 100, you can just add a -2 here, so it will find the nearest 100 value. So 46 will be the 0 obviously, but if we apply to all, you will find the rest of the numbers. So 75, 59, which is greater than 50, so you will get the 100 here, and just like that. So you got to know how to round a number to nearest 10, how to round a number to nearest 100, and similar way, if you want to round a number to nearest 1000, you can just add the -3, which will add the 3 zeros to 1. It will round a number to nearest 1000. So in our set of case, it won't apply because it will just revert back 0, because none of the number are greater than 500, so it won't round a number to nearest 1000. It just give us a 0 number. So I am not gonna apply that. But if you want to apply that, you can add any number in 1000 format, so you can test it yourself. Let me just also mark that as learned. In the next part, we're gonna learn how to round negative number to 1 decimal. So suppose you have a, like, let me just add a negative here. Okay, we have a negative number. If I want to round a negative number to a 1 decimal place, it will be treated as the same as we have done it earlier. So yeah, some students or some people may find it difficult because they see a negative sign in front of number. You don't know how to round a negative number. So it's a very straightforward and very easy. It's just, if you want to round a negative number to nearest or to decimal number, you just type just like we have done it for the positive number, so it will just revert back -46.04. But let me just mark that as learned. But if you want to round negative to nearest integer, it also be treated as same as the nearest integer formula. You just need to enter a 0 here. So there you go, get your answer -46. So in the next part, we are going to learn the round up function. So keep watching this channel. We will update the next video in upcoming days. So if you have learned something about the round function, please click the like button. If you want to learn more about Excel, do check out our website exceltutorial.net. If you have some doubts in mind, please leave the comment in the comment box regarding this video. We will get back to you in no time. And if you want to share this to your colleague, your friends, or on your social media handle, show some support, you can use the share button. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.